Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blend the overlay using CapCut PC. Alright, so for example, I'm just going to add the main track and I'm just going to add the overlay. So put on that another clip. Right. So to blend the overlay, you are just going to click the overlay and select basic. You can find the blend option, just turn on and select the mode of plane. So you can select mode of plane available here. For example, I'm going to select the overlay and just put the opacity, so we can try the mode of plane mode, other plane mode. Right, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.